G'day people, Sam here again. Now looking at optimism. I just did a plus, so that's uploading as I speak, and you can have a look at that. So optimism, much more detailed here. This descending, actually we will need to put on that, and you can see how that works out with the log settings on. It is a breakout trade, definitely breakout, and I'm thinking it's going to continue on. It's broken my 618 and it's broken a lot of records actually, so it's going to continue. I'll continue to buy as it breaks. So this was my concern here, that this was going to be hold it up. That was our third touch. So on the macro perspective, we can say that this was our, where we go, that was our A, B, C, D, E, and up it went. So let's see if I got another chart. Okay, so we had that. Now, can we get a pullback? Let's just push this to the side. It's a bit more cleaner. We had this formation, so it's like a cross. It's a maze, isn't it? Really, but we can see this long-term trend line doing its job, and so I would think that this is the early days, and if you look at any altcoin that starts off early, there is some pattern to the bottom. I'm looking at this pretty much the bottom, and you know what? Even if it hits this level, and I'll do this, give me a sec, reverse. I think the worst case scenario is that it comes down, whatever it may be, and level here. Let's see how we go. Let's put the Fibonacci there, sorry. There, and I do believe this is going to be accumulation if that we turn back down. Now, I'm still bullish like the others. If Bitcoin does a turn, this is likely to come down, and this is where we're likely to come down to if once we break this trend line. However, we can also continue on significantly as well. So optimism is one that if you bought here, which I did, and I'm just holding these, I'm holding this stack, and I actually bought some there as well, averaging, and I bought more here. It shows you that averaging in is pretty good idea. I didn't expect it to go like this, especially this part. I thought it actually would come or break. I thought it was pretty more bearish, and was willing to take these chances with the profits. But that is it. This is going to be, guys, you see that? This could be a nice, I think this is where it's gravitated to. The measured move is up to here with this structure. That is the measured move, and this could be a real big winner. And so I just put more money into it. However, is it a bull market? I can't say. I don't think it is. I just think it's a nice, good rally. So we're going to have our levels playing with this. We're going to have some formality as resistance. Let's see how this goes. It's just a line in the sand. We'll see if this has any confluence. The middle section is likely to be resistance, and you can see how it hits the middle of the channel. Yep, right here. So that'll be interesting. Once it gets to there, but you can see that could be a massive, I would think that there'll be a pullback here with the all-time high. However, if we do that, and it was bullish, measured move, guys, and that's looking at the previous 618. So I got this there, could go to the $10 range. that could be the beginning of a $10 range move. This looks like a bottoming structure, and this might just continue on. So it's probably good to buy. Average in. That is a bullish perspective. This is a key level, so look at Bitcoin and see how it's going. At the moment, it's looking good, and it's not slowing down. This is a 200 moving average on the SMA. The EMA is where I'm thinking it's going to be a resistance. Right there. Actually, I should have done that. I had one there already. So this is what I shared with our group. If things turn the way it is, we might get a rejection on this 200 EMA because it's my 618 level, give or take. And right shoulder is usually smaller, and we might just do this, and it's a measured move. And I was saying that in another chart, that this measured move, we've got two measured moves. That's one, give or take, to 28,000, 29,000. This one is taking place already. Let's see. Yep, so that's the measured move there. So it's still going. And it's likely to go. This could be a small stop, but will continue to go on. So that is a bullish perspective, an inverted structure, and this is a long macro trend line. And what else can we see? Yeah, we've got a few key levels, but you know what? If it breaks this level, this is my weekly level, monthly level. If we get past this, that is a prerequisite. It has to get past this level. If we can get past this level, I think it's time to enter, to go long. And that is also on the weekly perspective. Let's see, just to give you from the previous Bitcoin chart video, that is our weekly level bottom. That's a weekly high. So you can take your chances. If it gets above this level here, we are to find resistance here, but it could be accumulation, could be a fake out as well. So but not, yeah, so what we have, something like that, that's taken place. Not the best of formations, but if you look at descending wedge with inverted head and hammer, this is a strategy that's there, and this could probably play out. Bummer. Anyway, I'm going to keep my eye on this and let you know. So back to optimism. It's looking bullish. However, we're in the resistance zone, previous resistance. So everything's looking bullish, then this is going to continue to be bullish. So this is a resistance zone. If we break through that, might get a bit of a consolidation and then up. But I am still bullish on that. And let's see if we've got any indicators. So looking on our indicator, MACD is still upwards. Everything's just very bullish actually. This is more bullish than I expected. On the indicator, this is the 12-hour chart, and the momentum is definitely up. There is no, yep, I would say that it's going to continue to go up. So that is my call. Talk to you soon. Cheers.